We are joined now by Wedbush star analyst Dan Ives. It's good to have you here.
Great to be here.
How significant is this?
It's a watershed moment if it plays out, and I believe it will. Look, I mean, our whole view is you don't want to give Huawei and China tech more power. But by taking Nvidia out of that market, that's what they've done. And with that, you're talking about what could be 15, 20 billion a year. And I think this shows, and we've seen it being in DC a bunch the last few months. I mean, you're seeing changing winds there. I mean, there's a recognition that you have to give Nvidia that market. You have to let that open because otherwise, China tech gets an advantage. And for the first time in 30 years, U.S. tech is ahead of China.
Well, first of all, you call it a watershed moment. The stock's up 1%. I mean, really? Watershed? Yeah. Stock's up 1%. If it was such a watershed moment, wouldn't the stock be up more than 1%?
No, I mean, look, I view it as we go into the coming weeks, we're going to look at this as more and more China opens up. Even as Trump's going to do the visit there in April, I think this is more the tea leaves because I view it, this is just the start of what's going to be an opening of that relationship. And I expect more and more. NVIDIA is going to be able to sell into that market. And that's not baked in. I mean, if you start to think about from a street perspective, the view is China very, very cautious. I'd say negative in terms of what that's going to ultimately be. I'd say the street's underreacting to what I believe is really going to be an opening up of what's going to be a golden opportunity for NVIDIA.
Christina laid it out, though. It's China could very well be like, thanks, but no thanks. I mean, the market seems like it's not willing to take a big leap forward because there are many things that are still at play. Yeah, not to mention the fact that these are, already like 18-month-old outdated chips from the highest quality ones that NVIDIA produces anyway.
And still, I think, 1 to 2 years ahead of where Huawei is. So it might be just being in Asia for 3 weeks, you go to any China big tech company, whatever they say publicly, at the end of the day, they want NVIDIA chips. There's only one chip fueling the AI revolution. I think this just signifies cool relations, and I think obviously a lot more positive between U.S. and China. That's bullish for big tech. It's bullish for you. It's bullish for AMD and others.
Okay, so let me ask you this. Would you admit that we have started to see some dispersion among the hyperscalers and among the mega caps on how the stocks are trading and how each one individually is now being viewed rather than a monolith? Would you admit that?
Yeah,
okay.
and I definitely.
Okay, so you would. So I'm wondering, at some point, can you have an outperform on an Apple, on an Amazon, on a Meta, on a Microsoft, and on an Alphabet? You're judging all of them equal when telling me that this dispersion that we've witnessed is legit, it's real, and it may continue to be the case. How would you come back with that?
Sure. What I'd say is that when it's the 6th, 7th inning of this AI revolution, then you're going to have to separate out, and there's going to be clear winners and losers. Where we are today, I said it's top of the third, one out relative to this AI game. And when I look at the consumer AI revolution, it speaks to our Apple in terms of increased price tag, hasn't even started. So when I look at where Meta and what we see with Alphabet, what we see with Apple, I think that's just starting. Now, I think you will see the market ultimately, just like Microsoft right now and Oracle, almost putting in the penalty box. But I think that's the wrong way to view that. And I think you could pound the table or be much more bullish on certain mega caps versus others. And that's how we've tried to sort of characterize, what are the sort of the A, the B, the C group.